peppers. Now it's time to roast our peppers. Be sure to use metal tongs and proceed with caution. Turn your flame onto the highest setting. Place your chiles in the center. You'll start to hear a crackling sound. Don't worry, this means the pepper is roasting. Be sure you have a well-ventilated kitchen, as the smell of the roasting pepper may irritate your throat. Turn your pepper, making sure all of it is evenly charred. Be sure not to burn them. As soon as the pepper is done, remove it from the flame and slip them inside an ordinary grocery bag. When all the peppers are done, tie the bag. Leave them for about 10 minutes. This process is called sweating the chiles. The heat of the chiles inside the bag will make it easier to peel once they have cooled off. Grab your gloves and rinse them with cold water, rubbing off all the charred skin. At this stage, the chiles are very fragile. As you're removing the skin, be sure not to tear the chile. Drain out any water and set on a pan with paper towels. Be sure not to touch your eyes or any soft tissue, such as inside your nose or personal areas after handling the chiles.